Well, guys, it's another day on the grind. Nice, cold, windy day. Bunch of stuff we picked up yesterday. Today's video is going to be a cold and windy one, but I get to show you what we picked up yesterday. A wise man once told me, once you know how to make money and work hard, you'll never be poor. Well, this is how I make my money. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Mike and I'm cold. But picked up a bunch of appliances, water heaters and stuff yesterday. Picked up from a new plumbing and heating HVAC guy. He had a bunch of stuff. Bunch of these heaters and water heaters and stuff came from him. The appliances came from another place yesterday, but he had a bunch of this copper AC tubing. There's more of it in the shed. Me and Lunchbox worked yesterday. We're throwing it here, but yeah, that was along with yesterday. And he had this guy right here, blue pressure tank, some copper on it, big copper coil in it. So right there, copper coil, guys, with the prices the way they are, there's almost 80 to 100 bucks in copper there. But I picked a bunch of stuff up from a new plumbing heating guy, GMC 2500 or 3500. She got her first transmission oil change, and it's nice to report that there was no particles in the transmission. There was a software update. The dealership performed the software update and it shifts a lot better, and I'm actually happy because that light animation is whacked. But yeah, I'm actually a little more confident now because knowing that there's nothing in the transmission, so that's a good thing. She dirty, but I don't feel like uncovering this because me and Joe uncovered it. But there was two big air conditioners, household units. Two of those big ones. The other one's there. Two of them, 3 mini split units, and a bunch of the mini split head units. So this whole pile now is just air conditioners. So it's getting a little obscene here today. Being that, you know, it's 20 degrees and 30-40 mile per hour winds. I don't know if you can see these trees. It's ridiculous, but got a bunch of stuff to clean. Picked up a bunch more stuff. Like, look, it's all mini split units, A-coil units. That I've had for a while. I threw it up there to kind of block. But yeah, there's just all kinds of stuff here. More mini split units, more of the head units. But that's what we picked up yesterday. But now I have to go back to another house. See, we're empty. Gotta go back to another house. So this house I'm going back to, guys, it's not the same house, not the same guy. It's actually his friend. He was doing a demo job. So he said there's a refrigerator, washer, dryer, stove, microwave, above microwave, you know, so. But yeah, guys, picked a bunch of stuff up. It's been cold, and I'm gonna try to get out here today. I don't know if I'll be able to film at that house. Gotta go to the bank, put some money in, pay some bills, things of that nature. But yeah, guys, we'll see what the day brings. Man, this wind is brutal today, guys. But picked up a dishwasher, a stove, a refrigerator, microwave. Then a guy asked me if I'd take this wood stove here, old pellet stove. I don't know if you guys can see that, if I picked that up in there. And then I went past one of my plumbing and heating places on the way to the bank, and picked up this big furnace unit. It's actually pretty heavy. It's heavier than that refrigerator, I'll tell you that. Them refrigerators don't weigh crap. But we're gonna I'll put this big guy right here. I'll stack some of the appliances in there and get them up over here. I still got to run to the other appliance place, see what's up there, and check one of my other plumbers. So, well, we'll get this all unstrapped and ready to go here. All right, boys. Sorry I'm not showing you much. It's so brutally cold out here. I was filming another video too about my 1-year review on the truck, so that video will be out. But it's so freaking cold out here. I got the copper coil out of that boiler, or that blue tank, so I didn't even show you guys that. Well, we got a bunch of crap in here. There was that wood stove, old pellet stove. It's pretty roached out, and doors are all broken off it and everything. But I got room for maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 4 more appliances. You know, maybe another refrigerator and 3 you know, smaller boxes, washer dryers, stoves. We'll see. I'll get this all stacked in, but it's a fairly light load. Usually average between 3,000 and 4,500 pounds, 5,000 pounds on the heavier side. The last load I dumped was 8,000 pounds, but I had the back of this, and I had 3 boilers in here, and then I had 3 boilers and a bunch of appliances in the back of the truck. It is a little obscene. I'll put a picture above. Well, you've seen it. Yeah, so I put that picture in there of what was in the truck, but it was a heavy, super heavy load. Me and Lunchbox went and did that yesterday. Didn't film. It was icy in the morning. We had freezing rain overnight, and we just really wanted to get done. And then we went to, like I said, that plumbing and heating HVAC guy, and got most of the stuff that you see on this trailer, except for what I just showed you on the front. But all right, let's go to the other appliance place and see what there is. Thanks for sticking with my video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. So check this out, guys. Washer, dryer, little stove, another dryer, stove, microwave combo thing. That's probably heavy as balls. And an ugly looking refrigerator. So every like day or two I come up here and this is what I get. This is one of my appliance stops I go to. So yeah, there's always something up here. I mean, yeah, good stuff as you see. So we're gonna load this up and then go check my other appliance place. This isn't scrap, even though it probably is. Hasn't worked in probably 40 years. But yeah, let's get this stuff loaded up. All right, guys, we made it to my other stop. Looks like we got a furnace unit, water heater, another water heater. They're not too terribly heavy, which is great. I don't know what the hell this thing is. Oh, it's one of them things. I'll take it. Oh, we got some candy on here. Ooh, piece of candy. Yeah. Looks like I'm putting some stuff on the gate. We'll have to see how I'm gonna make it fit. That's it, boys. We're loaded. I sat and took a bunch of pieces of copper and brass off that. So that worked out pretty good. Put the 1 dryer up, 2 water heaters. But yeah, we're good to go, man. We're gonna go home and unload this. Maybe tomorrow we'll go to the scrapyard. See, boys? It's always something to be done, always money to be made. You just gotta go out there and get it. All right, guys, and just like that, I put the water heaters on here in that furnace, and I figured I would strap it down and get it ready. Sorry, I'm shaking. Get it ready for tomorrow. And then I realized this is my last video for the year, guys. So I want to thank all of my followers, all of my supporters, everybody who comments, everybody who likes, everybody who shares my videos. It means a lot to me. I had a goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers this year, which I didn't make. I made 9,100, something like that. So there's a lot of you guys that watch my content and watch it to the end, but you guys don't like or comment or subscribe. So please do that. And this is my last load of the year, last load to the scrapyard. You see we got the appliances in the truck, stuff on the trailer. It's not gonna be a heavy load, but this is how everybody asks, so how do you bring in 10 to 15,000 pounds a week? That's slow week. With the stuff I brought in the other day and this, I'll be, if this is 4,000 pounds, that'll put me at like 12,000 pounds for the week and it's only Tuesday. So yeah, guys, I mean, with the holiday coming, the 1st and everything, it is what it is, guys. I'm gonna get some totals for my next video next year, and I'll tell you how much weight and everything I scrapped, because a lot of people want to know. I'm hoping I made it over 600 to 800,000 pounds. I used to do over 1 million. It is what it is, guys. I'm just doing more air conditioners and stuff. But all right, guys, thank you for your support, and I'll see you next year. Remember, it's not adventure. Wait, that's not what I say. What do I say? Oh, well, I don't remember what I used to say. I don't remember. Oh well, peace.